In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a calendar view in Monday.com. To start, log into Monday.com using your credentials. Once you're inside your dashboard, go ahead and open up the board that includes the date or deadline columns you want to use, such as due date, timeline, or start date. If you haven't already set up a date column, don't worry. It's as simple as clicking on the plus sign to add a column, then selecting date. This preliminary step will set you up perfectly for creating a calendar view that's tailored to your needs. With your board open, look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the plus add view option. A list of different views will appear. Here, you'll select calendar. This selection will instantly transform your board, displaying your tasks and events in a calendar format, bringing a whole new level of organization to your projects. If your board includes multiple date columns like start date and due date, you may need to specify which date you'd like the calendar to reflect. To choose your preferred date column, simply click on the gear icon in the top right corner, which opens your settings. From there, you can select the column that best suits your needs for this calendar view. The next step involves customizing your calendar view to match your preferences. For a more intuitive workflow, consider color coding tasks by status. You might use green for tasks that are done and red for those that are overdue. This color coding can visually communicate progress at a glance. Filtering is another customization tool that allows you to tailor your calendar to show select groups or team members' tasks, ensuring that the calendar is as focused or broad as you need it to be. You can also toggle between a weekly or monthly view, depending on your planning style. And don't forget, hovering over or clicking on any item in the calendar will provide you with more details, updates, and comments, giving you a dynamic and interactive experience. Moreover, the calendar view isn't just static. You can actively manage your tasks from here. Whether you need to add a new task directly by clicking on a date or reschedule existing items by simply dragging and dropping them, the calendar view in Monday.com supports fluid and dynamic task management. Moving tasks will update them in real time on your board's date column, which is perfect for those who thrive on visual planning. Finally, ensure your hard work is not just stored locally. Share it with your team. Click on the three-dot menu beside your calendar view name to access options like rename, duplicate, or share. Sharing is simple. You can send a link or make it visible to your entire team. An excellent feature for keeping everyone, from marketing to sales to operations, aligned on timelines. Through these steps, you've created a robust and interactive calendar view in Monday.com, enhancing collaboration and ensuring that project timelines are clear and accessible for your entire team.